Hi guys, welcome back to another video. This USD card, and this is going to be a high probability trade. Up to 98% assurance that there's going to be a sell here, and we are also going to take the trade. We're going to make profit from the trade. So let's go through the analysis one after the other. So I'm going to start with the carry trade. This let us know the commercial sentiment, all right? So when we see this particular divergence here, it's telling us that the commercials are already bearish on the what USD card. That means they are bullish on the card. You understand? That means they are bullish on the card. So which means USD card is going to soon sell. So that's the first part. And then let's go to the next one. All right, so there is another one. This is the global oil. And with this, we know that the oil is not as bullish as the USD card, which means, boom, this is just a fake out. All right, this is just a fake out. And very soon it is going to start, selling, and it is going to sell very, very hard, and we'll be prepared for it. Let's go to another one. All right, so this is our market maker line, and with this market maker line, we've seen that okay, they've started being bearish on the USD card, while USD card is being bullish. So this is also another confirmation that very soon USD card is going to be bearish. Okay, as you can see, you can see this line going down. We don't want to see it making higher highs. Once we see it making higher highs, our setup has been nullified. So we want to see it making lower lows and lower highs. Why? The price of USD card making higher highs and higher lows. So we also have our volume. So there is a high volume around here. As you can see that all the candles around here is kind of reddish, or like an orange, or some kind of, it's not a normal bearish candle, okay? Let's just say it's not a normal bearish candle. So this is symbolizing that there is a lot of volume around here. So a lot of money is present here. Using this and this, you know that there is a lot of money around here. And let's see what is going to happen around here. So these are PO high. Everything around here is our PO high. Everything from this top here to this bottom here is our POI. All right. So let's go through other things. All right. So another aspect we are going to look is the order flow, and in which as you can see that this is actually reading currently right now, and you will see the orders being reduced from 230, 237 to 97 to 48 in profit. I mean in positive, this in negative, and this currently in positive but not yet closed. All right, we still have some high imbalance here from the sellers. All right, not from the buyers. So we are expecting the sellers to reduce and the buyers to increase. All right, that is what we are expecting. Another thing, as you can see that from here, we have the buyers increasing, then later they started reducing, then boom, the seller increasing, and the price change. So we want to have a similar example here. So we need the buyers to come in, and we need the sellers to actually decrease. So we will use that for an entry. So another thing we can also check is we want to also see a lot of real-time buyers coming in. As you can see that they started coming in little by little. So we want to see them at least rushing in, as the price is going down, we want to see them rushing in. Now it's just consolidating. So to me, this is just an equal amount of buyers to sellers. So a ratio 1-to-1, nothing much. So we've not seen an edge, but I believe that we'll soon see an edge, and that we'll be able to make our judgments, and we're going to enter a positive, a buy. And we can also see this, as you can see, this is telling us who is in charge. The S is for the sellers, the B is for the buyers. So you can see that the sellers has 147, the buyers has 98. So this will also, if we have this, it's going to be very, very good. It's going to be very good if we have this. So it's either we have a very big buyer or we have a trap seller. All right, we can have a trap seller or a big buyer. So one of it will appear here, and we'll be able to actually trade with this. So anyone we have, it's good. Okay. So for now, that'll be all. So I'm going to continue once I enter the trade. All right. Bye. All right, guys. So welcome back. So after several days, the two, and we've achieved a lot. So you can see that we are sitting on 187 or 84 pips. So going to 190 pips around this loss. So that is why I'm making this video. So the total of all this lot size, you can see that we have 3 positions there. The first one is 2 lot size, 2 lot size, 2 lot size, and everything is in positive. And now we are sitting on over 180 pips in profit. So let me show you why I entered and how can you also enter if you want to enter using this method. All right. So let's go to our Ninja. All right, so this is our Ninja. And if you look at our Ninja here, if you remember the analysis, we are analyzing the particular order around here. So we were talking about the low here. So we said that we don't want to see it taking out this particular low, though it did just took it out because this is a futures. All right, this is a futures data. So since USD CAD is the opposite of CAD USD, so in this case, we will be talking about buying it, all right? But on USD CAD, it's selling, so just flip it, all right? On USD CAD, we are selling, but on this, we are buying because this is a features data, all right? And this is CAD USD, not USD CAD. So if we see a buy setup here, it's a sell setup. So we are going to be selling on USD CAD whenever we see a buy setup here. So now we were expecting a buy setup here, and we actually had that buy setup. If you remember, I said that we are looking at this volume here. We also need to see if the buyers comes in, or it can either be original buyer or a trap buyer. I mean a trap seller. All right. So in this case, we have a trap seller here. All right. You can see the S here, we have 320 here, the buy is 0. Now the B is 0. Now, what does this mean? What does this actually mean? All right, because this goes a long way. This is a trap seller, all right? Sometimes they will be selling. If they don't get somebody to trap, they are not going to change direction, all right? So since they have seen an order that they can trap, they actually change the direction. Who will be selling here? Anybody that has a very good information will not be selling here. All right, because you will be selling at discounts. This is a discount area. All right, this is a discount area. We are in a bullish order block, a daily one. All right, nested in a 4-hour order block. So nobody will be selling inside this particular order block except an uninformed person. All right. So somebody sold here and they took that person and they trapped that person. All right. So this is one way to know a trap seller. All right. You can know a trap seller using other things, but this is a very good tool for you to know a trap seller. It doesn't give you position to buy. It doesn't give you a buying signal, a selling signal, but it's going to give you where people are trapped and where there are large orders. It's going to give you that. All right. So we already see these moving higher. All right. This shows that, okay, a lot of people are into it and they are already buying before the market actually make the low. You can see a lot of buying orders here. So before the market actually make the low, and boom, the market went up. So we had a retracement here after taking out this liquidity into a high volume candle over here. So we also have another trap seller here. So, and the market, boom, trap these two people, and you know, it went up. So this is a very, very good trade. I mean, brilliant trade, because it is high probability. It is 98%. Now let's take a look at the second one. So now looking at the second one, we see that we are seeing some sellers reducing. All right. If you look at it, we see some buyers coming in, some sellers reducing from 359, we have 48, we have 56. The buyers are increasing while the sellers are reducing. With this information, you will know that it is time. There is an accumulation going on with this information. All right. So not just you looking at the candlesticks or maybe the red candle or the green. In a red candle, there might be buyers there. All right. And you can't know except you use a tool that will tell you, yeah, there are buyers there. Look at this. I can see that this whole candle is full of buyers. It might be bearish, but it's full of buyers, accumulation. There are buyers here. Look at this, 1,397. A lot of buyer here. A lot of buyer here. All right. And they gave the room, a little bit room for the sellers. Then boom, they started again from here, 500 and 509. So even if you don't know where to enter, at least with this positive candle, you can enter. All right, this is a 1 hour time frame. With this positive candle, having this large volume here, you can enter. What about this one? You can also enter. All right. So from here, we have the price going up here. Then the re-entry, you can see the re-entry here. See the sellers reducing, and boom, buyers coming in, and boom. You understand? Then we also have the liquidity that it took below the low over here. So we have all of the buyers here. So this is a good indication for the buyers, and we're able to take advantage of all this information. We also saw some imbalances, and we took advantage of all this information, and everything went into profits. So we are good. We are good. Yeah, we are good. All right. I also took a short position on EuroCAD, So as you can see, the short position is giving me over 123 pips, which is also something that is very, very good from here, and holding it for 2 days. So these are the things that we do here, and these are the things that we do to make profits. All right. So thank you guys for watching my video. I really appreciate it. Make sure you subscribe. Bye.